Welcome to lesson number 11, and today we would learn about mirror portals and sight readability. So let's start. First time mirror portals appeared in the level called Time Machine. As you can see here, if we go into orange mirror portal, it flips our screen. It usually makes the game harder, and this level has a lot of it. For example, here we have a blue mirror portal that flips our screen backwards. If we have a lot of them in a row, it becomes impossible to see. But here we have a lot of space between them. A lot of people hate them, usually for no reason, but I can see why. Here we have the most iconic level in Geometry Dash, and guess what? Correct, it also has a mirror portal. Even two of them. Here we have the level Electroman Adventures, and it also has a lot of mirror portals. For example, here is the first, and shortly after we have second mirror portal. Now we will talk about sight readability. But first, what is it? If the level is sight readable, it means that you can see where you should go in one attempt, without any memory sections. For example, here is the example of the level that is not sight readable. As you can see here, there's a lot of memory parts. Here at least you can see the orbs that you should click and nothing else. But in this part, we can't see literally anything. You just have to remember every single click, where you can go through the structure and where you cannot do that. Levels like that require a lot of memory, and without any special effects, they would have been easy. Now we have an example of the most unsight readable level in the world. It's called Invisible Deadlocked. It's insane demon, but just look at this. It's really invisible. It's 100% pure memorization of every single click and release. You can't see where you go. There's just pure memory. Also, levels with special gimmicks also hard to read. For example, it is only medium demon, but sorry, I can't see anything, absolutely anything. And I have beaten a few insane demons. Here we have an insane demon, and it's very hard to read, but at least you can see where you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. There is no assignment before the next lesson, so you can rest, but if you want, you can find some easy or normal levels that you would like to beat and complete them. Goodbye!